Hello student, I am Adam Saibu, lecturer in mechanical department. Assalamu alaikum. Today we shall see how to draw bush type flexible coupling. So it contains 8 parts. Part number 1, flange 1, flange 2, then shaft 3, then key and fabric bush, bolt, nut and washer. So we have to assemble this and we are going to draw the half sectional front view and side view of this part drawing. So first we shall draw the side view. I am going to draw the left side view for this assembly drawing. So I am going to draw this diagram here. I have already drawn two center lines. In that we are going to draw the side view over here. So you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 circles. So I am going to draw this 5 circle first. So first circle diameter is 30. So the radius will be 15. Measure 15. And draw a circle. Then the second circle diameter is, it was not given here, but in the side it was given as 55. So half of the 55 is 50 means 25. 55 means 27.5. Measure 27.5 in ruler and then draw another circle. The next circle is the pitch circle of diameter 90. So 90 means the radius will be 45. I have measured 45. Draw this circle very light because this one is a center line. Next, these two circles. One of the circle diameter is 120. So the radius will be 60. Measure 60. Students, while watching this video, please make the pixel quality 720. Change the pixel quality to 720 so that you can visualize the value or dimension clearly. And the last circle diameter, these two diagrams are almost same. A small thing you can see a difference. And the last circle diameter was not given here, it was given here 132. So half of 132 is 66. This one is a center line. So I am going to draw center line here. Dash dot like that. So the next thing is you can see a small keyway cut on this flange. So the height from the center point is 18.3. You mark 18.3 mm. 18.3 means somewhat above 18 here. And the width of the keyway is 8. So 8 means 4 here on 4 on the right side. Okay. This set 4 mm, this set 4 mm. Totally you will get 8 mm. Also you can see another circle here. This circle is because of the chamfered line. Here the hole is chamfered, so you will get another circle here. We shall draw this circle after front view, because from that only we have to project it. So next thing, we shall start the front view. So I am going to draw this portion here. First to draw a vertical line. This line I am going to draw first. The value is 132. Half is 66. Then I am going to draw this line. This line is 30 mm offset. 30. Then we shall draw this line. This line is 40 mm from this point, and also the width is 55. So from here you mark 40 mm, 40, and just to draw a rough line, we can project the width from here, from the side view. So next I am going to draw this center line. This center line is coming from this point. So I am going to project from this point. From here I am projecting the center line. Here you can see the hole diameter is 25 mm. So when we project this line, you will get this distance 25. So 25 means 12.5. So here, from here I am marking 12.5. So this distance 12.5, this distance 12.5. So totally you will get 25 mm. So here you can see this thickness is 8 mm. So next I'm going to draw this line. This line we have to project from this point. So from here you project a line. As I'm going to draw the half sectional front view, so I'm going to section at the top, so I'm not going to section at the bottom. So I'm not drawing this point over here. So the next thing is I'm going to draw a hole here. The hole width is actually 30 mm hole. This one is a 30 mm hole. So we shall draw here 30 mm hole. 30 mm means 15 15. So from here 15.